to be able to power off your Xiaomi 17 just with the power button, you can open Settings, then over here scroll down and proceed to additional settings, and then in here we want to go to gesture shortcuts. Now in here we should be able to find the power off option, where of course by default we use the power and volume up buttons in order to activate the power menu, but we can switch that to power button only. And by default we need to hold the power button for 3 seconds. There we go. So once we open this power menu, of course we can slide this white circle towards the power off option. But besides that, you can also deactivate the digital assistant. So if you go to launch digital assistant option over here, once you turn it off, then you will notice that over here now we can hold the power button for half a second in order to open the power menu. So there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.